Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of all devices in Roblox. To log out of all devices in Roblox, the first thing to do is to open up the Roblox application. Once you're inside the main home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Click on Security from the Settings menu, and under Security, go ahead and find the button where it says Log out of all other sessions. Simply tap on it and click on Log out in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out of all devices in Roblox. Anywhere you are logged in with your Roblox credentials will now be logged out. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.